First thing in this question is to decipher these hints. You can see here when x is 0, y is 0, so that's a point on the parabola. And here when x is k, y is also 0. So we've got 2 points on the parabola. Clearly the parabola goes through the origin and it goes through the point k. Wow, okay. A parabola, y equals a bx plus c. Let's put the origin, substitute the origin in. So when y is 0, x is 0, therefore c is 0. So c is 0. Let's just tidy that up, save some space. We also need to get a differentiation happening. So y dash 2ax plus b. It sort of leads us to a bit of a hole, because when I do y dash k on 2, I get ak plus b, which doesn't really mean that it's independent of k, because k is in the answer. So let's just have a, that's fine, but we're not there yet. What we haven't done is we haven't used that point in the function yet. So we're going to put that point down into this function, because that point lies on the line. Y equals, well, it's not y, it's 0, isn't it? Y is 0 when k, and when x is k. So we need this requirement for it to pass through this x-axis intercept of k. So k, a, k plus b, I'm just going to factorise that, because you can see here that either k must be 0 or a, k plus b must equal 0. Well, k can't equal 0 because k is out here. So therefore we can see b from here must equal the minus of ak. So let's pop that into that b, and we will go y dash k on 2 equals a k plus b. b is minus ak. Well, y dash k on 2, ak minus ak is 0. So what's the slope at k on 2? 0. Therefore, no matter what k is, I get an answer of 0. Therefore, it's independent. So QED for our specialist friends, or just leave it there if you're not used to that terminology. Let's just have a really interesting think about the concept of just that parabola going through the origin and the point k. Well, the point k on 2 is halfway between those two x-axis intercepts. Well, what happens at halfway is our line of symmetry. So our gradient at the line of symmetry has to be equal 0. So no matter what k is, halfway between the origin and k, the gradient is going to be 0. Therefore, the derivative y dash of k on 2 is going to be equal to 0 independent of k. That's just a graphical representation of what we did mathematically up there. That was fun.